3, 2, 1.
Above a continent, a warm air mass slowly passes over a cold air mass. As the warm air begins to cool, clouds form. What will most likely happen next? The answer is A. Rain will fall. What U.S. president was first to use atomic weapons in 1945? The answer is C. Harry Truman. What does an electric conductor cross to generate current? The answer is B. Magnetic field lines. A plane mirror has a flat reflective surface and forms only which kind of images? The answer is D. Virtual. How did Mork drink on the Mork and Mindy sitcom? The answer is C. With his finger. Most cultures have a solar deity, someone who represents the sun. Who is the chief solar deity in Hinduism? The answer is D. Surya. Which one is a vacuum cleaner? The answer is D. Vacuum cleaner. The huge grain industry in Colorado gives rise to breweries. Which of the following owns the biggest single-site brewery located in Golden, Colorado? The answer is C. Molson Coors Brewing Company. Who stole Apollo's cattle? The answer is B. Hermes. Why are eutherian mammals sometimes called placental mammals? The answer is A. Complex placental connection. Who created the world's first computer program? The answer is A. Ada Lovelace. What is the invention associated with Galileo Galilei? The answer is A. Telescope. How many red coins did Mario have to collect in Super Mario 64 in order to gain a star? The answer is A. 8. What is the term for an economic system that combines elements of capitalism and socialism? The answer is D. Mixed economy. Which part of a plant carries out photosynthesis? The answer is C. Leaf. What is the capital city of Denmark with a wave-like architecture? The answer is C. Copenhagen. In the Saved by the Bell series, Screech discovers a cream that makes acne disappear. What happens when Kelly gets a zit right before homecoming and uses the cream? The answer is A. Her face turns maroon. What house was Cho Chang in, as explained in Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, Order of the Phoenix, and Goblet of Fire? The answer is B. Ravenclaw. Babe Ruth had many nicknames such as the Babe, the Bambino, the Sultan of Swat. Can you pick out another one of his nicknames? The answer is B. The Colossus of Clout. Who is the Terminator programmed to kill in the 1984 movie The Terminator? The answer is A. Sarah Connor. Winds are caused by differences in what? The answer is D. Air pressure. Which company introduced the first iPhone in 2007? The answer is D. Apple. Who was the Roman equivalent of Zeus in Greek mythology? The answer is B. Jupiter. What has walls but no roof? The answer is A. A well. Who is credited with the quote, "Reserve your right to think, for even to think wrongly is better than not to think at all"? The answer is C. Hypatia of Alexandria. Did you see the movie about the hot dog? The answer is B. It was an Oscar Wiener. Where do Troy Bolton and Gabriella Montez meet in the film High School Musical? The answer is B. At a New Year's Eve party. Who is the Mayan god of the maize and civilization? The answer is A. Quetzalcoatl. What is the process called in which nutrients pass into the bloodstream? The answer is A. Absorption. Which element is essential in DNA structure? The answer is D. Phosphorus. As a child, Angelina Jolie wanted to become what? The answer is A. Funeral director. While in LA trying to get his acting career off the ground, Seinfeld character Kramer got a part on what TV show? The answer is D. Murphy Brown. Who is the American artist who uses Campbell's soup cans in his pop art? The answer is C. Andy Warhol. The Big Apple is a nickname for which city known for its food diversity? The answer is D. New York City. Which branch of biology studies animal behavior? The answer is A. Ethology. What's always hungry and eats books but never gets full? The answer is D. Bookworm. Which sport involves a centurion in golf? The answer is A. Rugby. What ocean is the least salty? The answer is D. Antarctica. What is never thief, but steals secretly? The answer is C. Inflation. What was Julia Roberts' dream job when she was a little girl? The answer is C. Veterinarian. Who is known as the Queen of Pop for her impact on fashion? The answer is B. Madonna. Who designed the Villa Savoy in Poissy, France? The answer is B. Frank Lloyd Wright. Which word is defined as a small quantity of something left over? The answer is D. Titano. What is the birth name of the author who penned The English Roses, a children's book that follows the lives of 4 girls? The answer is B. Madonna Louise Ciccone. Chromatin, found in the nucleus of a cell, consists of a complex of deoxyribonucleic acid DNA, the gene-carrying molecule. Which of the following types of chromatin is rich in genes? The answer is A. Euchromatin. Orbiting at a fairly typical 370 kilometers, the International Space Station is an example of what? The answer is B. Man-made satellite. What is the name of the principal in the hit movie Ferris Bueller's Day Off? The answer is C. Mr. Rooney. The first stage of soil formation is the weathering of rock into fine particles. To make a good soil for growing plants, which would be best to add to the rock particles? The answer is C. Organic matter. Which artistic style of the late 18th and early 19th centuries revived the order and harmony of ancient Greek and Roman art? The answer is D. Neoclassicism. Where is the only place an electric charge can be found?